Welcome to LCR Automotive Limited here in Stoke-on-Trent, and another video of one of our stunning stock vehicles. This is just arrived into stock. It's a 2019 on a 69 plate. It's a Toyota RAV-4. It's a 2.5 VVT-h hybrid, XL, so fabulous spec. And it looks stunning in this metallic grey, especially with the privacy glass. As you'll notice, it's got the upgraded high gloss black and machine polished alloys. This car is quite a high specification example. It's got the JBL premium hi-fi system on its premium pack, which gives you panoramic roof, full leather interior, electric driver's seat, the 360-degree camera. So quite a lot of specification on this car. Car's in excellent condition. You can see wheels are all good, tyres are good. No dinks or scrapes down the side of the vehicle. Decent tyres all around on this, Bridgestones. Show you inside the car. Driver's door card. Mirror controls there. They fold in as well, electric and heated. Electric driver's seat, part of the pack. Full black leather interior. Plenty of controls on the multifunction steering wheel. Steering wheel's nice feel to it, nice thick rim with leather. Stunning car. Panoramic roof. The sun blind is closing it at the moment. I'll open it up in a second. Got the RAV-4 overmats on it. Rear of the car, again all good. Fabulous specification on this car. The seats have got memory as well. That's part of the optional premium pack on this car. Just start the vehicle. No warning lights on the car. Done 72,016 miles. JBL screen there, sat nav, DAB radio, also reverse camera. This vehicle's got the optional 360 camera on it as well, so it gives you a 360-degree view of the vehicle. Front and rear sensors. Dual zone climate control, blows nice and cold, ice cold in fact. Heated front seats, very good for in the winter on this leather. You've got your different driver modes, so we've got eco mode, normal mode and a sport mode. Electronic handbrake, hill holder brakes there, nice sort of pistol grip shifter. All the phone controls on the steering wheel as well, and cruise control. Also things like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, also on this vehicle. So lots of spec on this car. As you can see, changes to red when you put it into sport mode. It's normal, and green for eco mode. So yeah, this car has been kept exceptionally well. It's got a full service history with Toyota. Chrome tips on the exhaust pipes. Power tailgate. Rear parcel shelf. It's got the load liner as well. JBL Premium Hi-Fi. Carpet underneath is like new. It's had the load liner on it. All the different compartments. There is time inflating kit, fix and go kit. Obviously Toyota's legendary reliability. Seats are unmarked on this car, anything inside in the back. The door cards are all good. It's got the chrome sill plates as well all round. Wheels on passenger side are all good. Brakes are all good, no dents or dinks down this side. Again, chrome hybrid sill plates, RAV-4 overmats. Seat bolsters are all good, no wear. No odours in the car, not been smoked in, no pets in it. USB ports there, you've got storage and more USBs in the armrest. Locking wheel nuts in the glove box. The colour really does suit this car, especially with those wheels and the rear privacy glass. It's a real stunner, this is. These weren't a cheap car when they were brand new, these are an expensive car, and this RAV-4 represents excellent value. Any questions that you might have, get in touch. Either give us a call on the numbers that are on the Auto Trader advert, or email us. Email address is sales@LCR-AUTOMOTIVE.com. Happy to answer any questions. Panoramic roof's all good. Windscreen's good, no chips. It really is a stunning looking car. The specification is fantastic. Compare this to German cars. The level of standard equipment on these is phenomenal, but this has got a few options on it, like I've mentioned in the video. Please get in touch. Looking forward to speaking to some prospective buyers. Always happy to chat about the car. Okay, thanks for watching.